Welcome to the Department of Mathematics and Informatics in Northeast University, Bangladesh, Sylhet. The Department of Mathematics and Informatics has been functioning since 2014. From the Department of Mathematics, already 3 batches completed their MSc degree. The department regular curriculum includes special interactive classes for preparing the students to take various competitive examinations. Within the country, our sub-region and across the world, the demand for increased proficiency in mathematics among the students at all levels is continuous to grow. That is why it is a great opportunity the students of our Department of Mathematics can compete all the region of the world in educational institute, IT sector, banking and other financial sectors. In Sylhet, the Northeast University is the only private university from where students can take an opportunity to be a graduate and postgraduate in mathematics. Thank you.
Northeast University Bangladesh, education with innovation.